Okay, the first thing we need to do is to create a React application. I'm going to into my projects folder. I create a new folder and let's call it Bugtracker. Okay, we drag and drop into Visual Studio Code. It will automatically open for us. Okay, we can see we got our folder, our empty folder here. Okay, we just open a new terminal window, Control Shift. Okay, you just can verify this. New terminal, Control Shift. Okay, you just clear it. Fine. Now, to create a React application, we already stay into our folder. We just need to run the follow command from React documentation npx instead of npm, because we had to install it globally. We don't want that. So with npx it will take care for us. Fine. Now npx create React app. Okay, and we just put Bugtracker. Okay, we hit enter and it will automatically install a new React application for us. So it will take a little of time. And now as we go through this installation, we remember that with npx we don't need to update the create app React app packages. Okay, now once we finish this, it will automatically in our localhost show our port 7. Okay, fine. On this side, once we install off, it will automatically generate the folder structure of our Bugtracker project that I'm going to explain in detail. Fine. On the left side, remember, fine. Once installed, we need to go into our Bugtracker React application. Okay, as you can see, we are now in the master. And let me show you something, because if we try to run our application, let's see what happened. Okay, now such file or directory open. Okay, now we need to go into our Bugtracker application. Okay, as you can see, we know that we are on the master, and we just run npm start. Okay, it will start automatically our server, and it's gonna show you our index.html display. Okay, we're almost done. Let's close here. Okay, I got it in the other screen, and